Easy fitness hacks. 10 tips to kickstart your wellness journey. Hey, wellness warriors. Welcome back, where we believe that small changes can lead to big transformations. I'm here, and today's video is a treasure trove of goodness. Easy fitness hacks. 10 tips to kickstart your wellness journey. If you're ready to embark on a journey to a healthier you, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. We all know that starting a wellness journey can feel overwhelming. I've been there too, but today, I'm sharing 10 easy fitness hacks that will make the process not just manageable, but enjoyable. Let's make wellness a lifestyle, a chore. Tip number 1 is a game-changer: morning stretches. A few minutes of stretching in the morning not only wakes up your muscles, but sets a positive tone for the entire day. It's like a gift to your body before the hustle begins. Now, let's talk about tip number 2, hydration power. Drinking enough water is a wellness hack that's often overlooked. It's the simplest, yet most effective, way to boost your metabolism, improve skin health, and keep your energy levels up. Before we continue, hit the like button if you're ready to kickstart your wellness journey. It's a small action that fuels our motivation. Now, tip number 3 is snack smart. Opt for nutrient-rich snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. It's a small tweak that can make a big impact on your overall health. I used to underestimate the power of tip number 4, get creative with workouts. Finding enjoyable ways to move your body is key. It could be dancing, hiking, or even a home workout routine. When you love what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore. Before we dive into the remaining hacks, comment below with your favorite fitness activity. Your insights might inspire someone else on their wellness journey. Let's build a supportive community together. Tip number 5 is meal prepping magic. Taking a little time to plan and prepare your meals can save you from unhealthy food choices during busy days. It's a game changer for maintaining a nutritious diet. Now, let's talk about tip number 6, tech-free time. Designate a period each day to disconnect from screens. It could be a walk without your phone, or simply enjoying a book. It's a wellness hack for both your physical and mental health. But we're not done yet. Hit pause, try out one of these tips right now, and comment below with your experience. Your engagement inspires others, and together, we're creating a community of health and positivity. Tip number 7 is mindful breathing. Take a few moments each day to focus on your breath. It's a simple practice that reduces stress, clears your mind, and connects you with the present moment. There you have it, 10 easy fitness hacks to kickstart your wellness journey. Stay tuned for more tips and inspiration to keep you motivated. Remember, every small step is a victory on your path to wellness. Let's crush it.